Okay, here's the freaking Butte right here. 1980 C20. I mean, she's got typical square body problems on it, but underneath the frame looks pretty good. Bed isn't too bad. Overall body isn't too bad. Here's the typical rockers that are gonna need some attention. Interior, yeah, typical. I don't know, I wanted to pick something up, like clean up, have a good time with. A little tow pig. You gotta get it oil changed, and then I'm just gonna wire the freaking gas can in the passenger seat to the fuel pump right down there and get this puppy home, or to my storage unit, I guess I should say, where I can get it cleaned up. Now rust back there. It sat with its hood open its whole life, so here it is. Sat for 12 years. Tanks are gross, but working on getting it running. Gonna do an oil change right now. Yeah, typical rust, but that's why they sell replacement panels. Get all this squared away, have a cool little rig, throw 6 people in it, have a good time. Alright, this is what I'm doing today. Just working on the bed of the Tacoma. I'm going to be doing some oil change just to give it a fighting chance. Yeah, this oil's pretty spent. Let's see if we can get that to focus up on that. Yeah, pretty gross. Sat for a long time. I did put some minerals, some Marv's Mystery oil, some of that stuff down there. I got a new air filter for it, and I put a battery in it and topping off the coolant, but it runs, so just gonna give it a fighting chance to get home. So that's all I'm gonna be doing. And yeah, true $20 oil change. This was $20.54, and then just some I went with 1040. Didn't really know the status of this. I'll probably end up draining this out pretty soon. I'm putting some fresh oil in just to give it a fighting chance. Yeah, it's been a while. Air up the tires, put that jerry can in the passenger seat, and I'll check back with you soon. Alright, so I got fresh oil in it. Just putting the cap back on. Let's go ahead and check that level now. Oof. On the full mark. Put 5 quarts in. Okay, I got the fuel line ran. Like I said, if you're in a pinch, you gotta get a freaking vehicle out. I got a bungee cord for this. I'm gonna drive with the windows down. That's just straight piped to the fuel pump right here. I did put it there, and it just runs all the way over there. And every old small block, man, they need a little Dr. Pepper. Some diet. She's feeling a bit full. This is just gas. Oop. Just to get it kicked over. Let me go ahead and get it running. It should fire right up. In theory, I'm gonna have to get some KLR or something for these windows. So the interior, it's not bad. Really, the floor over there is the worst. And when I bought this, I bought it at a decent deal for a Crew Cab Chevy. I think it'll clean up nicely, and it's got custom dash. Ceiling seems fine. It straight up looks like they rollered it, though. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah. Ooh. It's got... Yeah, radio doesn't work. A few other things don't work, but let's see. It should kick over. Oh, there it goes. Cool, cool. And just like that, it's all set up to get out of here. Well, except the windows. And I got air up the tires, but it's running off the jerry can. I checked the coolant too. Changed the oil. changing oil on an old truck would be that fascinating, so I just did that on my own time. We gotta clean up these freaking gauges. But yeah. And the switch does work, but they're just clogged up, so she's run off that. Woo! Well, she don't actually get it out of here. Pretty excited. Not a bad buy, not a bad time. Enough to get it home, so I can at least have some peace of mind with the whole situation. You know, now there's an air filter going stopped off and the oil's changed. Alright, man, we put this up for so long and it's just been, and you can see that window is cracked. That's why there's all this rust on this side. This is how it's sat for the last 12 years. But I need to get this window cleared up. I'm gonna go ahead and set that there and just show you how freaking grody. Might have to go get some KLR. Alright, so I got 2019 Tacoma, right? We got her plugged in. See if it'll freaking kick on for an air compressor. Trying to not blow these tires up, trying to get enough rolling resistance so I can just scooch it around. I swear I'm gonna drive on these puppies once and then take it in. I actually really like these rims. Let's see if that compressor is on. Yeah, we might be messing with too much power for the old girl. Let's see what I can do with that. I'll just find, shoot. Just in some random dude's backyard, but we'll see what I can do. Alright, time for the maiden voyage. Typical. If you can see that. Whatever. These old trucks do that. And the hinges are all messed up on it. I'm just trying not to have it mess up the actual fender where it mounts to. I could really care less about those hinges. They sell replacements and it's gonna be a lot easier. Oh dude, you can see for days. Oh, good sign. Good sign. Okay. Doing a bird's eye view. It moves. It moves. It makes all the right clunk noises. It's idling decent. No power steering. That's gonna have to change. This mirror should probably be fixed. Okay, I'm gonna put her in reverse. Oh, keeps getting choked up a little bit. Show you guys oil pressure, temp. It's looking good. Definitely is freaking hot in here. I don't know if you can tell by my beads of sweat. Windows are gonna have to roll down for the maiden voyage. It's like 90 some odd degrees today. Feels kind of humid in here. Yeah, let's see if it's leaking anything. Looks good. Doesn't look too crazy. Got a pallet there. That's there. Still can't see out of the front window. Yeah. See if we can smash this. I don't know. It needs a new one. I might throw a ratchet over the top. But there it is. It runs, drives, stops, starts. The brakes are the disc brakes. Hopefully they get me to my storage unit. But time's gonna tell with that. But this is what's incredible. It's not bad. We got the tag saying 2012-03. Or 2011, my bad. 2011-03. Different front tires in the rear. Actually, no. Yeah, different front tires from the rear. Messed up the hood. But here she is. Stay posted on this. Yeah, man. If I stay posted on this project, go and subscribe. I'm not gonna lie to you and be like, oh, I'm gonna have this done in 2 weeks. It's gonna take a minute. I know that, but it'll be a fun little project. It'll be even better when it's done.